pollution, global warming, all the effects from what mankind has done, what mankind has created. But have you ever wondered what actually are the chemicals inside our products that affect the entire environment? Just a simple reminder, I'm not Greta, okay? So it's just for the sake of an experiment. Okay, so basically, me and my friend Lochana decided to do a research on the ionic compounds and covalent compounds in the industrial sector, one of the sectors which affect the environment. All right, so I hope you guys will enjoy the video and I hope you get some information from it. All right, before we start, I would like to give a bunch of thanks to my teacher, my chemistry teacher, Chigunorida Dalha, who helped us throughout this entire project and guided us to do the project. So in the current era, the industrial sector contributes the most to the economical state of the country, right? And in the industrial sector, we have a bunch of various different products that are made from different chemical resources. So the problem here is most of the chemicals that we have found is actually toxic and may harm or bring effect to both mankind and the world. Some of which are herbicides, pesticides, hydrogen cyanide, thorium. All of these gases and products, ammonia as well, they all harm us and all originate from the industrial sector. So Lochana right now is gonna explain on the observation and the research we have done for this entire project, and after that I'll continue with what we have found. Alright.
The objective of this project is to investigate the ionic compounds and covalent compounds that are used in the industrial sector. By doing so, we may be able to find what causes the worsening effects of the uses of these compounds. In addition to that, we may be able to find an alternative to help the environment as well as the humankind. By the research that was done for this project, we were able to find that ionic compounds including sodium chloride are majorly used in wood preservation in the industrial sector. Also, the other commonly used wood preservative includes boric acid and oxides. They are all supplied under very many world brand names, which is the reason why we are able to find different names for the same wood. While for covalent compounds, surface of diamonds are hard because of the covalent bond. Other than that, the surface of cement gets harder because of covalent bond. Vinegar, acetic acid, sugar or sucrose are some of the examples of covalent bonds in daily life.
So based on our experiments, the industrial toxicants are classified as chemicals that are natural and mobilized through the environment. These chemicals, they contaminate waterways, airways, aquifers, the soil. It affects, it's like a big thing. And based on data analysis, an example of one of this is acetate anhydride, which is produced in many countries, bought in many countries around the world. And based off a pie chart, the three biggest countries or the three biggest areas where this chemical is found is the USA, China, as well as Western Europe. So, ionic compounds are neutral compounds made up of negatively charged ions, as we call them anions. Covalent compounds, on the other hand, are made out of two or more non-metal atoms bond by sharing a valence electron bond, and they call it the covalent bond. Right? Toxic substances are substances that are poisonous and can cause effect to both health of mankind and the environment. In conclusion, we humans have used an excessive amount of toxic material or toxic chemicals, and from now on, instead of doing that, example plastic, we should be using biodegradable objects such as paper bags or biodegradable plastic. And that's all we have for you. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys found it informative. And I'll just leave our references from multiple websites down in the description. All right, bye.